Dad don't know what he's doing. So I'm going back to my room where there is heat. Because the furnace went out again today. Joy.
Because that's what cool people do.
I've been cross-stitching, but I can't show you guys because it's for Alex, and he'd see it if I showed you, so you can't see it. But I'm cross-stitching. I want to cross-stitch all the things. This is their skulls in the furnace, so let's go see. I don't see anything. Okay.
And then the other one's way back there, on top of the hill. I don't know if you can see it.
No, the light's making it too white on the camera. I can't see anything.
Try it with your flashlight and see if it goes off.
I'm not taking a picture.
Oh.
Oh, I think I see it. Sort of see something.
I'm gonna pull them out and see, because there's a jawbone right straight back.
It's over behind you. Right there by the window.
Mom!
What?
We don't want your butt in the camera.
So your mother's using this for cooking chicken.
Is that why the furnace isn't working, Mom? You stuffed the chicken in there?
My secret recipe. Shove it in the furnace.
If I could quit shaking, I could get the damn bird head right here. Yep, it's a skull.
It'd be more interesting if it was a human skull.
There's the beak. Yeah, give me something to put them on.
Okay.
I just saw bones. Must have a little V, like for the ribs.
This one's in better shape if I don't break it.
Don't break it.
Yeah.
It's probably pretty fragile anyways, being in the furnace.
There's a whole bunch of bones, but I really can't get to them. Just them in there, need a vacuum really.
That would break them all.
Yeah. You can look in there if you want. There's a bunch of bones sitting right straight, pile in the middle.
Yeah.
When you're done. Now.
Dad's been cremating birds in here.
Wow.
Now Evie's touching it. Yeah.
Have me. No.
They wanted my body, and I
No.
said no, no, no.
No, you cannot have me. No. No. No means no. No, you're gonna die, you idiot. You're gonna die. He died. He died. Don't you dare press that button. Don't you dare. Don't you do it. I'll die. Do you want to see me die? I don't want to see me die. I'm gonna die because of you.
They're just all dying because they want to feed.
Oh my God! Oh my
I can't
God!
wait for him to die. I can't wait for him to die. It's gonna be the most distressed noise.
Trying to cook up them, shoot them in the face with your weapon.
I'm gonna make it. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming.
Wish he would just die already.
Die on me,
We're
dude.
in space alone
No, yay!
for 15 minutes of this.
Oh, yay! 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 Oh no!
So-
No!
Drugs to see on.
I did it! I did it! I did it! Oh no! They got
Do some
back.
pretty good drugs.
Help! Shoot! Ah!
Man, what is he on? Because I want to be on it.
I can't! They gonna eat me!
What kind of, do you guys want to be on the same drugs as him, or is it just me?
Oh my God! I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
Oh my god!
Yeah!
Is Nicholas still here? Just a curiosity?
Yeah!
Oh my god.
Yeah! I'm gonna live! Shoot him, fool! Shoot! Shoot! Screw you! You're gonna die. I can't help you if you don't shoot. You useless.
God, you sound like my dad.
He's gonna die. I'm gonna leave you to die. You're useless. I crawl away from me. You're not gonna kill me with you. Fine, I'm trying to say, never mind, he's dead.
Oh, he did.
He did.
And how much?
Oh, he did.
Oh, he did.
Boom!
I can't do it.
What?
And boom! You're dead.
Boom.
And how much cobble do you need?
How much cobble? A lot.
Alright, teleport to me.
I'm gonna die. They keep coming back. Why won't they die? Oh my God.
What round is he possibly on?
Hey, they should be dead. Oh my God. No. 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 I made it. I got it in. Oh my God, they're coming. They're coming.
This is like the best time ever. I'm sorry, but it does.
Oh my God.
If you guys were listening to the last part of the
My vicious sword.
Hold on a second. Let me put stuff inside of my
Yeah, you're gonna need a ton of space, so.
No.
Let me create it.
Holy crap, that happened.
Oh my God, and I don't have enough of the bullets. I'm gonna die.
I have almost 11 full stacks.
I'm
Like,
gonna have like a freaking.
God. Oh my God, Ian, I'm making you look so good. I'm making you look so good, but I'm gonna die so terribly. No! You are not gonna ruin this for me, Emily. You are not. No. Says who? Daddy! I'm in the zone.
Okay.
Okay. I got what he wants. If it's important, I'll come.
You.
I don't know if I have enough blue to finish it, guys, because that's all that's left is that. So I'm really hoping that it's enough, because I also need enough to do 4 bits that'll be down here. So I'll find out tomorrow, and if not, I have to go through like every single piece of string that I have to hope and find one that'll match the same color. Which, no, that's like a turquoisey color. I don't know if I'm going to have that shade of blue. And I don't have, you know, $4 or $5 to go to Walmart and buy the kit that it came in just to use a bit of blue. That's ridiculous. So, yep. I'm gonna go to bed though, because it's like 1:30 and I don't know why I'm still awake. I'm really tired. I'm still sick. Obviously, you can hear it. It sucks. Yeah, that's about it. So, I'm gonna go to bed, and I hope you all have a wonderful night, / morning, / whatever it is, wherever you are. And I will see you all in the morning. Good night.
Her soul burning through the haze. In a fight, our love will break through this maze.